and welcome to the second part of our tutorial. This one is with regard to basic properties. So we stopped at number 9 in the first video of the tutorial. So let's continue with the rest of the basic properties. So number 10, we have, if you have any number A, you divide by B. It's the same thing as A can be positive and B is negative, then the answer is simply negative. As long as one of them is negative, the answer is negative. So if you have something like negative 6 over 12 is the same thing as 6 divided by negative 12, and your answer will be negative 1 over 2. 6 can simplify, can go into 12 two times, so you simplify to have negative 1 over 2. Then number 11, if we have A divided by B times C divided by D, is going to be equal to A times C over B times Z. The tops go together and the downs also go together if you can simplify. But if you can simplify, we'll simplify. So let's do examples. Example 1. So if I have 2 over 3 times 4 over 5, the tops go together. Here we cannot simplify. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then 3 times 5 is 15. How about if I have something like this? 2 over 3 times 5 over 8. This one can be simplified. 2 can go into 8. So let's simplify. 2 can go here 1 and 2 can go here 4 times. Now we can simplify further. So the tops go together. 1 times 5 is 5. And the downs go together. 3 times 4 is 12. This is how we do if we can simplify. Number 12. If I have A divided by B, all divided by C over D, then it tends to be A over B and then times D over C. All you do is it tends to multiplication and you flip the right hand side, or you turn it upside down. So you can write here 10 upside down, or if you want you can just say flip. That is also correct. So you have that. So example, if we have 2 over 3 and we divide it by 5 over 4, that is going to give us 2 over 3 then times 4 over 5. You flip the right hand side and check to see if you can simplify. We cannot simplify, so the tops go together, you have 8, and the downs go together, we have 15. Okay, now let's go to number 13. If I have A over B is equal to C over D, then I'm going to use this symbol for the first time, implies, meaning that you cross multiply. You have A times D is equal to B times C. Cross multiply means this is called a butterfly method. If you want, you can call this goes with that and that goes with that. So we're going to have A times D equals B times C. So example, if I tell you to find B from here, so example, I have 2 over 3 is equal to 5 over B. Then we want to find the value of B. That means that 2 times B is equal to 3 times 5, which is 15. And then we're looking for B. So we divide here by 2 and we divide here by 2. These two will cancel that. So B is equal to 15 over 2, or you can say 7.5. That is how to simplify this. How about if you have something like this, number 14, if we have A outside, then we have B plus C, we use the A to distribute or expand. So the A will multiply, the A outside means it's multiplying by B, and the same A is multiplying by C. So we can write here expand or distribute. So you're going to have A times B plus A times C. So example, if I have negative outside, then I have A plus B. It means -1 outside. If you just see only negative, it means there is a 1 there. So -1 outside. So -1 times A is going to be negative A, and -1 times B is going to be negative B. How about if you have something like that? Another example, 2 and then 5 minus C. You expand. It means 2 times 5 is equal to 10, and then 2 and negative C is minus 2C. We can also have, let's say if I have minus, and then I have A minus 6. Well, it means -1. So -1 times A is minus A, and -1 times -6 is plus 6. And that is how we do this. You can also have an example like -3 times -5 plus 2C. Same way, expand or distribute. So -3 times -5 is going to be -15. Plus 15. Minus times minus plus 15. And then minus times plus is negative. So -3 times 2 is equal to is minus 6C. And that is how we simplify this. How about the last one? If you have number 15, we have minus A squared is not equal to minus A squared. So this is all we should note. For example, we should know that -3, when you square it, it is not equal to -3 squared. -3 squared. So this one means negative times negative, you're going to have 9. So this one, you're going to have 9 here, and this one is going to be -9. So we have -3 times -3 at the left hand side. Then at the right hand side, it means -1 times 3 squared. So this one actually means -1 outside, and you have 3 squared, which is 3 times 3. So these are the basic properties that we need to know, and then we are good to go to begin the next unit, the major unit, to start to solve problems. Please practice this and get to know them well, so that we are not caught up in the middle how we solve this or how we get this value. Okay, thanks for watching, and continue to look out for more videos coming, which will help you to put the fear in mass, the thing of the past, that you'll be able to do everything on your own without any issues.